Namaste children, welcome to today's maths class. So as we are discussing the third chapter, how many squares? In that, today we are going to discuss puzzles with 5 squares. Puzzles with 5 squares. Page number 44. Yes, page number 44. Puzzles with 5 squares. Measure the side of a small square on the squared paper on page 45. Make as many shapes as possible using 5 such squares. There are 3 are drawn for you. So here a square grid paper is given. This is the square grid paper. In this square grid paper, measure the side of the small square. So all are small squares of same size. So if you measure this square, we'll get 1 centimeter as its length. And make as many shapes as you can draw or you can make using 5 squares. How many shapes we can draw? As many as possible. Make shapes using 5 squares. 3 are drawn for you here. See, this is the shape 1 with 5 squares here shaded with blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Shape 2, if you observe, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. Shape 3, if you observe, here we have again 5 squares are there, 5 squares. So like this, using 5 squares, draw as many shapes as you can draw in that square sheet. So the first 3 are given here. The first 3 are given as in the square paper. Now we will try to draw the different shapes also. Yes, here I have drawn. This is one shape where we find 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares are there. A shape and shape number 5. Here also we are having 5 squares. Are you able to see, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we have one more shape with 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares are there. And see shape 7. Here we have 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares are there. Shape 8. Again 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shape 9. 5 squares. Shape 10. 5 squares. Shape 11. 5 squares. Shape 12. 5 squares. If you try to draw a maximum of shapes using 5 squares, these are the 12 shapes which we can draw by using the 5 squares. By using those 5 squares. So you also draw these shapes in the square grid paper. You may ask, sir, I got 13 shapes or 14 shapes. Those extra shapes are repeated shapes. How it is? You see, you tilt the shape. When you tilt the shape, what kind of shape you get? When you tilt it, like this is there. You tilt it, we get this kind of shape. But this is also shape. Am I right or wrong? Yes. This is also of same shape. Same shape it is also. Yes. Yes. So when we tilt it, we get the same shape. Yes. You see this? This shape and shape number 7 are the same shapes. So you might have drawn these 2 shapes, but both are of same shapes. So maximum we get 12 this kind of shapes by using the 5 squares. Now, what is the area of these 5 squares? These shapes. All the shapes have the same area. Do you agree? Yes. Why? Because all these 12 shapes are having 5 squares of same size. All are made up of 5 squares, and we know that area of each square is 1 square centimeter. Therefore, 5 squares it will be 5 square centimeter. Area of shape 1, 5 square centimeter. Area of shape 2, 5 square centimeter. Area of shape 3, 5 square centimeter. All the shapes they have the same area, that is 5 square centimeters. Now what about the perimeter shapes, though their areas are same, do they have the same perimeter? Let us check. What is perimeter? The total length of the boundary line of a closed figure is known as perimeter. Now you see the shape 1. Yes, this is the boundary line of this shape. Yes, I have rounded here. Now find the length of this boundary line. As we measured in the beginning, the length of each side is 1 centimeter. Therefore, count the number of sides which are enclosed by that figure. So start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are 12 sides are there. Each side is 1 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the shape is 12 centimeters. Perimeter of the shape is 12 centimeters. Similarly, find the perimeter of shape 2. What is the boundary line of this shape? It is, you see, I am drawing the boundary line. Yes. Now you have to find the boundary length of shape 2. Yes, you can count. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Again 12 sides are there. We get 12 centimeter is its perimeter. Similarly, count for third figure. Yes, shape 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, its perimeter is also 12 centimeters. Now count, find the perimeter of shape 4. Yes, this is the boundary length of shape 4. You have to find how many sides are enclosed in this figure. You start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Only 10 sides are there here. Therefore, its perimeter is how much? 10 centimeters is the perimeter. Whereas shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, they have all are having the same perimeter, 12 centimeters. Now try for sixth one, shape 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is again 12 centimeters. Then shape 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is also 12 centimeters. If you find the remaining 6 these shapes also, we will get 12 centimeters as the perimeter. Shape 12, 12 centimeters. 8, 12 centimeters. Now all these shapes also 12 centimeters is their perimeter. It is 12 centimeters. Except shape 4. See this shape. This shape is having 10 centimeters. Remaining all the shapes, they have the same perimeter, that is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. Yes, 12 centimeters. Except the shape 4, it is having 10 centimeters. Though the areas are same, so we can conclude, though the areas of all shapes are same, but they have different perimeters. Which shape is having the smallest perimeter, shortest perimeter? It is shape 4. And how much it is? 10 centimeters. Which shape has the longest perimeter? All the shapes have the longest perimeter, that is except the shape 4, which is 12 centimeters. Now what is the area of these shapes? Yes, areas of all these shapes are, it is same, and it is 5 square centimeters. Yes, now there we have questions are there. Now let us answer those questions. How many different shapes can you draw? First question it is, how many shapes can we draw? How many we have drawn here? Yes, it is 12. 12 shapes we can draw using 5 squares. Next, which shape has the longest perimeter? How much? Dash centimeters. Which shape has the longest perimeter? If you observe, just now we found all the shapes has 12 centimeters as the perimeter except 4. So what you can write? All shapes except all shapes 12 centimeters. Now question C. Which shape has the shortest perimeter and how much it is? Shape 4 has the shortest perimeter and it is 10 centimeters. Shape 4 has the shortest perimeter and it is 10 centimeters. Next question. It is, what is the area of the shapes? Dash square centimeters. That's simple. What is the area of these shapes? Yes, it is 5 square centimeters. Why it is 5 square centimeters? Because all the shapes are made up of 5 squares only. Therefore, their area is 5 square centimeter. So what we conclude from this? That is, with 5 squares maximum we can draw 12 different shapes, and among all the 12 different shapes, only one shape will have the different perimeter. The remaining all 11 shapes will have the same perimeter, but their areas are same. Their areas are same. Now look into your textbook, page number 46. Did you get all 12 shapes using 5 squares? So did you get all these 12 shapes using that 5 squares? Yes, it is done here in the textbook. You see, with the different colors, they made with the different colors. All the shapes, whatever here it is drawn, are there on the board. I hope you also have got the shapes. Now, all 12 shapes are arranged here to make a rectangle. This is a 10 into 6 rectangle, as there are 10 rows and 6 columns. You will be surprised to know that there are more than 2000 ways in which these shapes make a 10 into 6 rectangle. If you arrange these 12 shapes in the proper way, we will get a rectangle. That rectangle is 10 into 6 rectangle, which has 6 columns and 10 rows will be there. In that, we will allocate all these shapes, will get a 10 into 6 rectangle. Like that kind of rectangles, we can draw 2000 ways. How many ways? 2000 ways we can draw. Is that clear, children? Draw all the 12 shapes on a sheet of cardboard and cut them. Try to arrange your 12 shapes in some other way to make a 10 into 6 rectangle. Could you do it? Yes. Like what he has done in the book. You also try in the different way. Out of 2000 ways, you also will try, and you can make one way of arranging all the shapes in the a rectangle, which is 10 into 6 a rectangle. Yes, see here. What do you got all the same kind of shapes what you have drawn in the previous page? Yes, you should get the same kind of pages. You see how they are arranged, and they are arranged all these shapes to form a rectangle. This rectangle is 10 into 6 rectangle, as it contains 10 rows and 6 columns. Like this, we can make 2000 ways in which all these shapes make a 10 into 6 rectangle. So you draw all these 12 shapes on a sheet of cardboard and cut them. Then you arrange all these shapes to make a 10 into 6 rectangle. Could you do it? Yes, you can do it. Try and do it. Now, try another puzzle. You have to make a 5 into 12 rectangle with these 12 shapes. With these 12 shapes, there are more than 1000 ways to do it. If you can find even one, that's great. Next is, you can arrange these shapes, these 12 shapes to make a rectangle of 5 into 12. 5 into 12, this is a 5 into 12 rectangle sheet is there here. So in this sheet, you can arrange all those shapes and we will find one 12 into 12 rectangle. This is, see, these children, they are doing, they have arranged one shape. Like this, you arrange those shapes in this rectangle of 5 into 12. Like this, we can make 1000 ways one among that you try to do it and you can get success. Now game time. So using these 12 shapes, you also can play one game with your friends. Here is a chessboard. Yes, you see this chessboard. This is a chessboard. Play this game with your partner, in the sense with your friend, with one set of 12 shapes. You have drawn the shapes on the cardboard sheet and you cut those shapes. Use those shapes to play this game with your partner. Yes, the first player picks one shape from the set and put it on the board covering any 5 squares. So one of you can take one. First player will picks one shape. One of you will pick the one shape and he has to place that shape. He should arrange that shape in this chessboard. That 5 squares should be enclosed. Then the other player picks another shape and puts it in the board, but it must not overlap the first shape. So one more, your partner will take one more shape and he will arrange that shape in this chessboard. See that no square should be overlapped. That is, the square of the previous shape should not be overlapped. Then like that you continue, keep on taking turns until one of you can't go any further. Whoever puts the last piece, he will win. So you keep on doing like this and until you finish all the shapes. Who will finish first, they will be the win, or whoever puts the last piece, they will be the winner. Otherwise they will be the loser. Like this, the shapes also we can use to play on the chessboard. So is it clear, children? So what we studied today? So maximum 5 using 5 squares we can draw 12 shapes of same area with different perimeters, and we using these 5 squares using this 12 shapes we can make different rectangles like a 10 into 6 rectangle or 5 into 12 rectangles in many ways, and you have to try this. Thank you very much, and I hope you understand this.